I'm Alan Roth. I am the owner-operator of Cartronics Biscayne here in Miami, Florida, and I'm going to show you how to install a car stereo subwoofer. So here we go. So before we get started, we want to make sure we have our tools together. We're going to need a wire stripper, hot solder pencil, mine's cordless, and some good quality 60/40 rosin core electrical solder. I like to solder the wire into the box so that there's no chance that it's going to come loose with an extreme bass note or big bump. So first we have to make sure that our soldering iron is good and hot. And mine's been on for a few minutes, so I know it's good and hot. Then we're going to take some electrical solder, and we're going to heat this wire, and we're going to tin it first. That means that we're going to get it hot, and we're going to flow some solder on it. We do that on the positive lead and on the negative lead. I'm going to do the same thing on the terminal cup inside the box. Then we're going to solder positive to the positive terminal. And we're going to solder the negative to the negative terminal. So here we have positive and negative leads soldered to the terminal cup using our solder pencil and our rosin core solder. Now we're going to connect that wire to our 10-inch kicker subwoofer. Strip off about a ½ inch of insulation on the positive and negative wire and make the connection to the terminals on the back of the woofer. Alright, so we're going to make sure to depress the terminal far enough so that we can get the wire in the hole, release it, and that binding post grabs onto that speaker wire nice and tight. And the same on the negative side, we depress the terminal fully, insert the wire, release, and it's nice and tight. We're going to center it to make sure that it's straight in the box. Now we start with the good coarse thread screws. And make sure that it's good and tight and has a good air seal. You don't want the subwoofer to leak air. Good and tight, and we're going to do it in a cross fashion so we don't torque the basket. And there you have it. Now we're going to carry this to the car and make the connections. So now we're going to turn the box around. So here we're just going to split the wire down the middle, pull it apart, and then strip about a ½ inch of insulation off of each side. And then twirl it up and get it ready to go into the connector on the back of the box. Get our wire. We want to make sure we plug in positive to positive and negative to negative. And that's it. We'll tuck this wire in, set this off in a corner, and that's how you install a car stereo subwoofer.